How to upload high-quality videos to Instagram. If you record a great video, but notice that Instagram lowers the quality when you upload it, there are a few settings you can change to fix this. Start by opening Instagram and tapping the plus icon at the bottom center to create a new post or reel. Select the video you want to upload and tap Next until you reach the final posting screen. Before you post, scroll down and tap on More Options. At the bottom, you will see an option called Upload at Highest Quality. If this is turned off, toggle it on. This ensures that Instagram uploads your video at its best possible quality. Next, you should also check your app settings. Exit the post creation screen and go to your profile by tapping the profile icon in the bottom right. Then, tap the three-line menu in the top right. Scroll down and look for media quality. Tap on it and make sure that Upload at Highest Quality is turned on. If you see an option called Use Less Cellular Data, turning this on might reduce video quality, so it's best to leave it off when uploading high-quality videos. That's how to upload high-quality videos to Instagram.